Hey guys, it is Dale. Excuse me. I am here. I'm gonna redo that because that was a little gross. Hey guys, it's Dale. I'm here today for another unboxing video. We've had quite a few of those lately. And this one is very interesting because I have not opened this box yet. I was out on vacation over Christmas and New Year. I wasn't here for like 2 weeks. It's like 10 days, a long time. And then I went and I got my wisdom teeth taken out last week. So yeah, I haven't been here. So the box has been open, but it was open by photography. They had to take product shots and I haven't seen it yet. And it is the GBOX Squonk kit from Geek Vape. And this is another one of those products that people were asking for in the e-juice group on Facebook. So I know that a lot of them will be excited. Wow, okay, I just took the top of the box off and it looks like so. And it's big. What is this? Okay, so it is a regulated Squonk mod, two 18650s, and it's so large because it takes the two 18650s, and then you have your Squonk bottle here. Oh, I like this door. I don't say that much, but this door, I like the door already. And then it comes with the Raider. I don't know if you can see that. R-A-D-A-R. Raider. R-A-D-A-R. R-D-A. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at these like little post holes. They are really, really strange. Can you see these little post holes? I'm getting the okay that you can. I'm excited to build on this. So, okay, I opened the box and I first felt put off by the size. I still kind of feel put off by the size, but I want to build on this and I want to play with this. This is intriguing me. Huh. Okay. I'm excited. Okay, also in the box, sorry guys, is, what's in here? What is this? What's this? Oh, I guess that this is the weirdest USB I've ever seen. Have you seen one like this before? No? Camera guy saying no, he's never seen one like this. Like, what is this? Anyway, it's a USB cord, and it comes with an extra bottle and some extra bits and pieces and things. It also comes with a drip tip adapter and another drip tip as well, if you don't like the extra wide bore drip tips. Okay, so I am very excited about this. It's a dual 18650, and it goes up to 200 watts. So that's pretty cool. This is a 24 millimeter RDA as well. And I wish that this was kind of my full review video because I would have brought batteries to put in here. I'm very excited to play with this, actually. And this green is really pretty too. It comes in 4 colors: black and red, army green, pearl chrome, and red wine. White wine? Wine red. There it is, because I can't read. I'm very, very excited to be playing with this. So I'm going to use it for the next week to 10 days, and then we'll upload my full review video. And did I say I was excited to be playing with this? Because yeah, guys, I'm excited for this one. So stay tuned for my full video. I am so excited I can't speak. So I was so excited that whenever we closed the camera, I was playing around with the cord, which I never do. I throw away the stupid cords that they come with because I don't trust charging them at all. No matter what kind of chip is in it, I don't trust charging them with the cords. So I just take the batteries out. But check this out. This is fun. So this is the, I believe it's a C, is a USB-C, I think is what it's called, connection. And I was wondering what the hell this is. Bam! There's your regular micro USB. Like, you have two options. Two options. Brilliant! Brilliant! I think that this is brilliant. They should sell these at the store. I don't pay attention, they might sell these at the store, but guys, this is the first time I've seen this, and I am more excited to play with this thing than ever. Yeah. So I just wanted to show you guys this cord. Alright guys, I'll see you later. Goodbye.